Welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at cleaning or changing the air filter on your HYM430SPER lawnmower. The air filter is located under this cover here on the left hand side of the engine from the operator position. And to remove this cover, you'll see there are two plastic tabs on the top of the casing. We simply push these down and pull the outer casing away. Okay, now this is the non-cleanable part of the air filter. If it's only lightly soiled, it is possible to blow with a compressed air line from the inside, avoiding blowing too hard on it. Keep an air line away and it will blow the most of the dust away. Obviously, don't do it in this area next to the lawnmower because you may blow dust into the carburetor. Do it in an area well away to remove the worst of the dust from the filter. Also in the air filter housing is this piece of foam here, which is like a pre-filter. Okay, this can be removed. Again, it can be blown out with compressed air. You can wash it under a tap with some dishwashing liquid and allow it to thoroughly dry. Once it's thoroughly dry, perhaps a few little drops of engine oil on it. Give it a good squeeze to spread the engine oil around, and then refit the pre-filter into the casing. Now we can refit the main filter, and you'll see that there are two hooked brackets that fit in these little loops in the bottom. We can simply slide them into the little loops, hinge it back up, push down on the two tabs and squeeze it home, making sure that the tabs pop up, and that's the air filter ready to go. Replacement air filters, both the pre-filter and the main air filter, are available from our parts department. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.HYUNDAIPowerProducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.